Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Pokemon Go spoofer onto your phone in 2024. Now, as you know, the Pokemon Go spoofer is a widely debated topic among Pokemon Go players on whether it should even exist, because basically it allows you to play Pokemon Go in your house without having to go outside. You can use that joystick and you can literally go wherever you want. There's some other features in there that are even worse, like the ability to teleport to other cities. And I'm going to show you guys in this video the truth. I'm going to show you how to download it. No matter if you feel good about it or bad about it, I'm making this video so you guys know how to get it. So as you can see right there, I have this app on my phone called Pokemon Go Plus. That is the official 2024 spoofer that works for me. There's another spoofer called iPogo, but it requires a computer. So if you don't own a computer, you're screwed because you need to connect your phone to the computer to download iPogo. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a spoofer that does not require you to have a computer. So if we open this up, guys, as you can see, we have, you can actually get 14,500 Pokecoins for free. You have auto walk and teleport feature, shiny chance times 10, which will raise your chances of encountering a shiny Pokemon by 10. And then we also have joystick. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. I know you all want that joystick. I can see in your eyes. But I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so let me show you the app right here. As you can see, it is called Pokemon Go Plus, or Pokemon Go Plus. I don't really know why it has a plus on it. But anyway, guys, when you open this up, you can see the mod menu right here with all of the features. Namely, the 14,500 Pokecoins rustling my feathers. I'm going to turn that on. And then I also want auto walk, and I also want that joystick because I need to be able to go. I don't need to always be out in the world. I need to be able to get Pokemon in my house. So anyways, guys, when you are finally satisfied, you want to press this button that says activate. And then something should happen if this is even working. You will get a ton of Pokecoins. So as you can see, guys, that works. I got 63,100 Pokecoins. So I definitely got the 14,500 Pokecoins feature. But this is super insane, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download this spoofer onto your device. I'm not actually going to show the joystick in this video. Do you know why? Because there has been rumors that the Pokemon Go team, namely Niantic, is taking down videos that show the joystick and show the auto walk and auto teleport features in action. So to circumvent that, I'm not actually going to show any of that in this video, but I can promise you that if you do download the spoofer, many of those features that you're looking for will be in the spoofer. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the spoofer now, which is probably not a good idea either. But what you want to do is go to this website. So it's ZooMods, but I'm going to show you guys how to get there just from Google in case you accidentally do not type in .com. So as you can see, guys, if we just look up ZooMods, you can see the website pops right up. So just go over to the website, guys, and once you're there, we're just going to go onto the main page. And once you're on this page, we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Pokemon Go. So as you can see, guys, if you do the little thing on the E, I guess it doesn't come up. So you want to make sure, guys, that you do not put that little thing over the E, because what that does is it just makes everything break. Now, unfortunately, my browser crashed. I'm going to restart it and we're going to see if we can get onto this website. I already was on the website, but I just wanted to show you guys how the Pokemon Go page looks so you know where exactly to download it. So once we're on the website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. And I'm just going to leave it at Poke because if I put in Pokemon like that, it's not going to show the Pokemon Go spoofer. So at the bottom is the Pokemon Go spoofer, so just go ahead and press on that. It is going to start to download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely go ahead and let me know how it goes. It's super cool, guys, and it's crazy.